Okay, I'm gonna do the one.
T-Rex. Big T-Rex.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, stop. So much beer retard. Do this like
Okay.
a lot.
Okay, hold on.
Wait.
Ready?
Do the mommy.
I'm foaming at the mouth.
Do the mommy. Tell me, do the mommy thing. Wait a minute. Keep going. This is a retarded gorilla. Does that hurt?
No.
I didn't get that one. Do it again. Okay. Wait. Ready? Go.
Do something else.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Do
It's really bright in here now.
You just let your eyes go.
A lovely video.
Say we got 20 scary abnormalities.
Show me.
Yeah.
I'm still taping.
I do. Say wait. This is almost. Say we got about 20 scary abnormalities. Wait,
Do the horns. Do the horns.
do the horns.
Tusk.
Okay,
Alright.
test.
Here we go. I got some tusks.
Alright, first one.
Walrus.
Down. You should go straight back, check themselves from enemies from behind. Okay?
Oh.
Alright, next animal. Wait, pause for a second. Hold on, sorry. My thumb gig. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Alright, next animal
Is both. Yes, a gazelle.
No, I like antelope better.
Okay.
Antelope, we got a little snail thing going on.
It's connected to their head, but yet it goes up. So it's like,
And it goes down, and it's got little different colors, and there's a little snail.
wait.
Oh, yeah. Totally. Let that inner ear thing.
Hurry up, I'm running out of
Here
battery.
we go. Now, we have the gazelle. This is personally one of my favorites. Alright, here we go. They start up here, or here, I don't know where, and they go back there. Way back there. So they go. Right, careful. And then, wait. Where's the other animal?
Hurry up, running out of battery.
Where's the other animal? Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Okay, wait.
And like rhino
Yeah,
thing.
rhino and unicorn.
Alright, now my next animal is the Texas Longhorn. The bowl thingy. Got a little thing going there. And then,
Like, well, anyway, their horn goes. Now we have the unicorn. Wait, stop. I gotta get the unicorn. Hold on. Okay, now we have the unicorn.
And then, it's this biggest thing right here. And this has got one meaning uni, so we gotta have one. So we gotta go up there. But then, like, it spirals, so it's like... Alright, now we have...
Rhino.
Rhino is the last one here.
Well, you
And
might
it
need
goes...
Wait, you might need to stop a minute. Hold on.
I don't remember where it is.
It like curves like a C.
I know, I think
It's on your
It's in
head.
the- It's in the center.
It's in the center.
Yeah, I think
No, It's right here.
It's not in the mouth.
It's on the mouth. I mean, it's the nose.
It is the
It's the
nose.
nose.
It is the nose. Okay, ready, set, go.
Alright, now we have the rhino. It starts right here. There's a big old chunker thing. They have a mouth, but there's a big old chunker. And it starts right here, and then like swoops up. So like, it's like, you know, they're like going down, they're like to charge other little enemies. Yeah. So that was my presentation on
Different types of horns.
Alright.